Most business owners waste hours staring at a blank screen. I'm going to show you how you can create 30 days of content and a lead magnet in one sitting. So let's dive straight on over to it. Pretty much just a sample one that I've done, and obviously in taking this, we focus on the yoga industry. The main things to take from this is 30 days of content, and what I've done is it's broken it down into different, obviously, platforms we're going to use. And another key elements here is the funnel stage and the depth of knowledge, I suppose, in relationship to the post. The key thing here to remember is all this information is going to be in the community for free. If you want access to it, obviously you have to join. So with that in mind, I've built out these two individual standalone apps, and obviously at this moment in time, they're still in the final testing phases of it. So what you want to do here is, I'm looking for an AI content calendar generator, and what I want to do is get it to create content for me. Now, most people fall into this problem here, is where they just instantly just input the information into this, and it's very basic, very generic. But what I've done is, with the community, I've built out an actual structure here for where we can AI our business. So this is going to give us as much information about our business. It's going to give us a document that we're going to always use and help us align all our content with. So with that in mind, I'm going to just quickly click on this here. I'm going to go to obviously my recent downloads, and for this example here, we're just going to focus on the gym industry. So this is a fake one I made up, obviously, of the gym. And what we do here, we set our channels. So we want to use YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And again, we plan to create 3 long form videos. We want to get 5 shorts done. Instagram is the same. We're looking for then maybe 5 reels, 1 carousel, and again, we're looking for potentially 7 stories. TikTok, we're looking for 5 again. However, what we're going to do here is we're going to repurpose. So what we want to do is we want to convert our reels that we're creating, 5 Instagram reels, and we want to convert them to be used on YouTube shorts and TikTok videos. And from there, it's going to click this generate calendar, and once this is fully generated, I'll jump straight back into it. Just quickly before we jump actually to the results, what I want to quickly show you over here is the average cost. So the cost roughly for 30 days of marketing content varies. Obviously, it can be a few $100s for a basic plan, or freelance work up to several $1,000s for the more advanced stuff. The problem that I see a lot of times happening here is a lot of these companies, what they end up using is AI, and in turn, all it gives you is the basic enough. You have your general ones, how to do this, and this is how, all very simple, basic, and they never really change. This is where this entire process is completely different. So we're going to go into the post, some of them, and what you can see, obviously this is again the gym industry. So we have Instagram reel, gym tour, and community vibe. Again, top of the funnel, very basic approach to it. It gives you the reasoning for it, and then again, any call to actions in here. YouTube short is pretty much a repurpose of the reels, like we originally said. We have again a long form video, a beginner's guide to our gym. Again, top of funnel, getting people aware of it, getting people to kind of actually come along and see the gym before they get into it. Because I know this can be a common problem for a lot of people are looking to go to the gym, and probably going to anywhere. You want to kind of see what it is, so you can kind of understand the layout, where everything is, so you don't look probably stupid going around. We go on, that's only 1 day of content, and then we go on to day 2. You can see we have a story, interactive poll, fitness goals, top of the funnel, and here's where some of the changes start. So we have common beginner gym mistakes. So this is targeting people in the middle of your overall sales funnel. Again, you're just kind of trying to give them a bit more information, trying to potentially push them a bit further into that journey to get them actually into the sales process and to buying. So we progress on. You have more top of funnel, you have middle of funnel, you have obviously things to a bit more for retention. So this is overall your overall community to help them. And then you have the option down here, which is the bottom of funnel. So weekend challenge, try our new class. This is bottom of funnel. This is going to convert people to potentially to pay for whatever it is, a product, service, and in this case, swipe up to sign up for the class. Again, you may not be able to swipe up, but it could be a case, comment a specific word, get information to test out the class. It could be free, it could be paid, whatever the case is. Again, you can go down here, benefits of our core membership, which the key thing here that you have to remember is this is set up that is not to sell every single day to a client, and I think this is vital. I mentioned this in a video I talked about there recently, that too many people focus on sales, sales, sales. You can see this entire plan is laid out now. It's a different approach. You don't sell to them every single day. You sell to them, break it all down, give them value, then give them a sell. Again, you see it benefits of a core membership. We go into then Instagram Reel, 3 essential stretches for your desk. Again, providing value, helping people along the way, giving clear call to actions. Save this for your next break. More people save it, more people engage with it. Instagram overall will push the post out and increase views. So you can see how this is broken down everything into stages of your funnel, type of content. So if it's basic, it's going to be a very basic one, intermediate, advanced. It shows you the channels, it shows you what's being repurposed. So you can see here, this is a YouTube short. And again, this is mirrored from day 15 Instagram, which is this one here. All you might need to do is maybe change the title if you want to, and that's it. The video is ready to go again on different platforms. So as I said, super easy way to do this. And what we're going to do now is follow a similar procedure and create lead magnets to potentially have in here for call to actions. So what we're going to do next is to jump over here to this other tool that I built. And again, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to upload our PDF and again, document of our lead magnets. And from there, we're just going to click generate ideas. And this is going to give us 5 potential lead magnet ideas. Again, this is not going to give it to us that we're ready to just take and go off. You're going to have to still create it. But the key thing here is you're not starting from the ground, staring at a blank screen. You have some sort of process and you have some idea and structure to it. So when this generates, I'm going to jump straight back on. Here we are now. It's generated the 5 potential lead magnets. What I really like about this, if we try and zoom in a bit. So what's your fitness blueprint? Discover your ideal starting point. 2-minute quiz. Top of funnel content. This is who it's for, newcomers to fitness. It's giving us a breakdown of who it's for. Obviously the funnel stage, problems solved, confusion about where to start. Again, presume in the fitness industry this is a common problem. Next start, call to action, get your personalized mini plan and claim your free introduction session, which again is an opportunity here, giving you an idea how to create. So you could use Google Forms, you could be a bit more creative obviously and use AI, design 5 to 7 simple choice questions. And the idea here is to help people with their blueprint and getting them started. And I think this is key. This is something someone could use and walk away with it. Again, it gives you a breakdown of why it works. And then we go through it. We have a breakdown at different stages. So you can see here at the bottom of the funnel, content, master your form, the squat, bench and deadlift essential mini course. So this is something that you could potentially provide. And as I mentioned here, upload these videos as unlisted videos and send them out as emails. And what happened is you're sending them out as emails. These people then are in this stage that they're obviously trying to become better at specific, obviously, tasks here. But the key thing here is they could convert much quicker to obviously your membership or your one-on-one coaching. And I think these are vital because we see so many lead magnets out there and they're not really set up for people in terms of understanding what they're trying to gain and where they're trying to target people. You can see the difference here from this very simple kind of breakdown. It gives you everything you need in it, and I think it's key for overall growth. Yeah, so look, that is pretty much it. Again, if you're interested, link below is in the description. What I will be doing is hopefully getting these apps deployed 100% so they're under standalone websites or URLs that people can easily use obviously within the community. And like everything I do, everything here is focused on the core fundamentals of marketing. We try and bring everything into the AI side of things and, create everything that's a bit different. So look, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks very much for watching and I hope everyone has a great day.